Hi, my name is Jan and I'm one of the engineers at iPHASE Technologies. Today we'll be running through the setup of our automated filter integrity tester. Here are the items that you will be supplied with. The filter integrity tester unit, the waste bottle with tubing and barbed lure fittings, compressed air tubing with a push-in reducer from 6mm to 1/8, power supply with adapters based on your region, a USB cable to transfer reports off the device, a USB with the following files, a quick start guide, user manual, IQ/OQ document, calibration certificate, data extraction software, and firmware backup, and spare parts and fittings for the maintenance of the device. Now we'll begin the setup of our automated filter integrity tester unit. There are 3 ports that must be connected. There's the waste port, the gas port, and the power. So step 1 is to cut your waste tubing to length. Once that is done, step 2 is to connect your barb fitting on both ends of your tube. Step 3 is to connect the lure fitting to the rear of the unit in a clockwise motion and to either one of the waste bottle ports. Then the compressed air line can be connected. Step 1 is to cut it to length. Step 2 is to plug it into the rear of the unit. And step 3 is to connect it to your gas supply. If required, there is the supplied 6mm to 1/8 push-in adapter, which you can use if required. And lastly, power. The first step is to select the correct regional adapter for your area. Next, you need to install it by pushing it in and twisting it for it to lock in place. Once that is done, grab your barrel jack fitting and insert it to the rear of the unit. And connect. And lastly, connect the adapter to power. Once connected to the power, the device is ready for use. Please keep in mind that if radioactive filters will be tested, both the device and waste bottle will need to be sufficiently shielded. That is the conclusion for the setup of the automated filter integrity tester. Thank you for watching.